Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and this weekend I decided to play with these two items. The large die of the month from December, Blooming Heart, and the embossing folder of the month, Heart Blooms. So love. This is an oversized 2D embossing folder, and then this is the awesome die set, which I'll show you the example in a second. Also, what I received from my order was the small die of the month, the stitched heart card front. Love. Haven't played with it yet though, the stitching, but you know I love a good stitching die. And also I received another shipment this weekend, and that one is the retro television. This is part of my order. I have my Spellbinders haul video. I'm going to have to add to my Spellbinders haul video. This one is a 3D vignette retro television. It was on sale half off, and that made it uber attractive. This one, I've seen examples where people have put the little dog in here from pet delivery. For example, this is a cat one. They'd put the die cut image of the cat in here. You could do anything in that television, which is just so amazing. You could do florals, like a floral show on your TV. But this one, I told you guys I had to play with it. So let's take a look. So this is the Blooming Heart. This is the main star of the show. And you do cut these two backgrounds in whatever color you want, and then you do layer them up. So they actually fall like this. Let's just look at my example, because pretty much I played with everything that you see here, every single piece of it, because everything layers up over here. So right now what you're looking at is two cards. I have this one stacked on top of the other. Made this card first, and I knew I wanted to try a different colorway. So instead of doing green leaves, I decided to do gray and play with this colorway. And I have this pink mauve, but the mauve has a little bit of gray mixed in it. It's more muted. And then this jewel tone colorway. Although I ended up using some crystal mixed gems, the sparkly crystal in the background here, which picks up on the colors. So when you're creating this, you're going to layer the florals, but these florals lay on top of each other to create a cluster. It lays here on top of each other and here, and these you just paper piece. And all I did while making it was follow the photograph on the back. This is why packaging is always good to keep. So pretty. So you're like, oh, it's an embellishment. No, it's a shaped card. There is the love from the die set right there. Yes, love. So I made this one into a shaped card. Cut the heart. This one is 110-pound cardstock. Just score the top, and then you bend. I was actually going to put this here, so it would have been white on white, but I forgot. So you're seeing craft. Okay. So at first it's like I had this cardstock, but she wasn't sturdy enough. So then I put some craft on it, and it was going to go onto a card base like this one. But then I was like, you know what? I think this is nice enough to make into a shaped card. So why not go shaped card? Then I did, and then I forgot to put the white. It happens. But it's still pretty. This is in a chocolate brown with the love. Let's see if this can fit into an A2 envelope. Okay, here I have Spellbinders brushed rose gold. So let's see. This would be pretty as a... Yes, it does. Look at that. Oh, it's an A2 envelope. It fits in there. Let's try a different color. Let's go with my favorite, brushed gold, because it does have a little hit of gold there. Let's see how pretty that looks. So you give it to the recipient. They open it up and ta-da. Oh, you know, this is lovely as a shaped card. Love that. So here now, this is a oversized. I made the whole thing just like this one. It is also on craft again, which the craft also gives it just a little bit of lift. I didn't use any foam in here. I just like stacked 2 layers of cardstock and then got the height, but not too high. In the background is the embossing folder, Heart Blooms. Love. And both of these are in stock in the past Kit Club section, okay? Look at this now. So I did not the green leaves, jewel tone colorway. Then I decided, okay, let me go back into the traditional. So I had cut dark green for the leaves, and then it was too dark with this pink. So then I went another shade of green, and then an idea came to me, stagger it. So if you look at the leaves on both, notice how you're seeing a little bit more dimension because of the stagger that I did, all you do is just put one die cut on top of the other and just shift the top one a little bit over. So it gives that shadow. So I didn't end up wasting the green cardstock, the dark green. It was just too dark. It just wasn't looking right. But at least I used it here. Here now, this is just one layer. So you have options even with the background. I love this one. I think this one actually worked out better. See? First take, second take. And I still have a lot of florals left. I had cut these things in so many colors. I enjoyed this layout. I could have gone brighter. I think I was working with the background color and I didn't want the background color to be too bright. But if you have this die set, you do you. Go completely Easter, spring. Maybe I'll go back again and do like an Easter version of this. And I'm thinking also, I might be able to use this without the heart because it's just a cluster. So depending on how you lay it out on a card, it could work. So I'm going to give it a try and see. I really love this set. This one, super excited by. Now that I have played with it, I'm even more excited by it. So again, I layered up the colors. Here I used different shades of cardstock. I do have some Spellbinders cardstock in here. This one is Pink Sand. That one is Wild Berry. The blue, I think this is from my stash. And so is this color. But still, ooh, uber pretty. So this is Crystal Mixed Gems. On this one, I used Spellbinders Green Gems. Pretty, right? Because I wanted the green to pick up back that green. And then I also like that I put some of the gems in here to fill up those open spots. You see? Love, 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 love. And then I did a little, like I said, I did a little oversized because I wanted to enjoy the embossing folder. This Love You. This is a past Kid Club Die of the Month, small die of the month from September of 2021, actually, not even 2022, 21. Layered mix and match sentiments. I pulled this out. I have recently watched a video by Jennifer McGuire. Yes, I'm going to say her name again. I wish I had the opportunity to meet her in real life because I'm like, yeah. Fanning out, maybe. Okay, so she did a video where she's like, if you lose your mojo, how to get back into it to enjoy the art of card making, not feeling like you want to create, but you get so stuck in ideas in your head, but just to continue playing. This was just playing. She showed this die set, which I have, layered mix and match. She loves this die set so much. When she put it on the card, you saw love 3 times, you 3 times, happy. She has 3 sets of it. So I was laughing. I was like, oh, let me pull it out again then. Let me play with it. So here you see it. Love You, because I do have it. You know, I don't have a second one of it, but I'm glad that I have it. I just was like, oh, now this is from 2021. So not saying it's going to disappear, but I don't know how long it's going to be there. Not every single past Kit Club item is available in Spellbinders past Kit Club. Keep that in mind. So if you like this, I would highly recommend getting it sooner than later. If you love this, it's a great little set. It goes with that bird one. This I do have too, and I haven't played with that one either. I need to play with that one. You have love you, thanks, hello, happy. So happy birthday, and then for you, and some florals. Cute. There it is right there. Love. So love you. And this one is on a tan 110-pound cardstock base. I love these florals. So just keep in mind, if you have this set, play with it. And don't forget, in this quadrant and that quadrant, you're going to have to layer. Everything else, though, you're just paper piecing and having fun. And give the heart a try. This is so cute. Alrighty, crafters. This is actually part of my Saturday morning makes. Because I haven't done Saturday morning makes in so long. And Saturday morning makes is a group hosted by Jill Norwood of Greenwood Girl Cards. And if you want to participate, all you have to do, if you have a video here and you're making a project, you can do hashtag SatMornMakes. I'm putting it here on the screen, or Instagram and Facebook. Okay, just put the photograph or the video and then just put hashtag SatMornMakes. So everybody in that group, it's a big group. You don't have to officially join a group either. Everybody can see and share art. So I haven't done SatMornMakes in a long time. So that's another reason why I did pull this out. I forgot to mention that in the beginning of the video. I just wanted to play. Yeah, it's not even like I'm making this Valentine's. I was just playing with this die set because I was just too excited by it. to be 100% honest with you, and just dying to play with this one too, the embossing folder. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, everything that I showed you will be detailed and linked below if you're interested. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.